Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. We've explored the income statement, which shows performance over time. Today, we're diving into the balance sheet, a financial statement that gives us a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. Think of the balance sheet as a photograph of what a company owns, its assets, what it owes to others, its liabilities, and the owner's stake in the company, its equity, at a particular moment. Remember our fundamental accounting equation? Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Well, the balance sheet is built upon this very equation. It presents these three elements in a balanced format. On one side of the balance sheet, you'll find a list of the company's assets, categorized as either current assets, things that can be easily converted to cash within a year, like cash and accounts receivable, or non-current assets, long-term assets like property, plant, and equipment. On the other side, you'll see the company's liabilities, also categorized as current liabilities, obligations due within a year, like accounts payable, and non-current liabilities, long-term debts like loans payable. Finally, the equity section represents the owner's residual interest in the company's assets after deducting liabilities. For corporations, this includes things like common stock and retained earnings. The balance sheet is crucial for understanding a company's financial health, its ability to meet its short-term and long-term obligations, and the owner's investment in the business. Unlike the income statement, which covers a period, the balance sheet is a snapshot at a single point in time, like the last day of a month or a year. So, to summarize, the balance sheet presents a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time based on the fundamental accounting equation. There you have it, the balance sheet explained in under 90 seconds. Are you starting to see how the income statement and balance sheet provide different but equally important perspectives on a company's financials? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy accounting lessons. What financial statement should we tackle next? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.